How to choose the best CNC machining service for your business. 01. Know your project's complexity. Identify your product/parts design. Determine production volume. Evaluate tolerance requirements. Check for specialized expertise. Think about post-processing needs. 02. Consider lead time and speed. Check if they can handle your project size and deadlines. See how quickly they can set up and get started. Ask about their ability to speed up production without sacrificing quality. Look at their track record for meeting delivery times. Find out if they can accommodate last-minute or urgent requests. 03. Check material availability. Ask about their stock of materials and suppliers. Check if they can source the specific material you need. Ensure they have experience with the material required for your project. Inquire about potential delays in material procurement. Confirm if they can handle material shortages or supply chain issues. 04. Check quality standards. Inquire about their quality control processes. Ask if they follow industry-specific certifications or standards. Check if they conduct regular inspections throughout production. Check if they are ISO 9001:2015 certified for quality management. Request samples or past work to evaluate their quality. Thank you. I hope you can find the best CNC machining service for your business, and I wish you success in your project.